so. Now Matt wanted us to climb the nearest mountain. Still, could be worse. This is so much fun! And it's so fast! Whoa!
With backing from some of Tesla's guys, who, let's face it, know a thing or two about making electric stuff go fast, Alta has been quietly taking the motocross world by storm.
Normally, I just hate the fact there's no petrol engine, but in this, I just don't miss it.
I don't either, I gotta be honest.
And if you're a total novice like me, you don't have to use the gears.
Yeah, there's no clutch, no nothing. Super, super smooth. I love it.
But the cutting edge of two-wheeled off-roading
That's outrageous!
does come at a premium.
It's a little pricey for a dirt bike, 12 grand.
For the technology, 12 grand seems like good value. Without a doubt, this is the most impressive thing I've been on or in that has an electric motor. It's magnificent.
And it's so quiet.
Oh, what a thing.
Top Gear, all new, Sundays at 8 on BBC America.